So first thing we're going to do is cook the mussels because that's 2 in 1. That's our sauce and the mussels at the same time. So we got a little bit of shallots, a little bit of garlic. I'm going to use olive oil. Get this in here. We're going to get that super hot. All right, we're going to throw these guys in there. And then the mussels themselves, we're just basically looking for the juice of the mussel, and that's going to be the kind of the reduction of the sauce itself.
Okay. Nice looking mussels.
Yeah. Get those going, and then I'm going to hit that with just a little bit of vinegar, and that's kind of some of the things that we're going to be working with. A lot of vinegars vinegars is a big part of this cuisine, the Taiwanese cuisine. So what we're going to do next is the dumplings for the shrimp, and so basically it's pretty simple. We use a little bit of water chestnuts, we have onions, we have cilantro, we have chilies.
A lot of flavor and texture going on
exactly.
in there.
And some egg whites. So we're going to, what I'd like to do is blend this, then get the combine all of these ingredients, and then that together has some crunch into it. It's got a little bit of spice too. Also,
you said blend. Do you put them in the food processor, or?
Yeah, this one I like to kind of just do. The best way to do these is actually crush them.
Oh wow.
Yep, with your.
Easy enough.
Yep, and I think this gives a good texture.
More natural.
Yeah, exactly.
So you know you're eating shrimp.
Exactly. So we take this. And actually, when you do look into the dumpling itself on the side, you'll find that you'll see the little pieces of shrimp in there. And then, yes, this is good stuff.
Fish sauce.
Fish
is this Vietnamese fish sauce?
It is.
Okay.
Yep. And
Does that make a difference?
Yeah, I like this one. Actually, it's the 3 crabs, so you have different ones, and this one has 3 crabs. That's my favorite. Yeah, that one. It's got like a good shellfish. Again, we're going to take our mussels, use
and that's the black vinegar.
Yep.
You said.
Yep. And that's going to give a really good punch to the sauce itself. So once these release all their liquid and juice, we'll make the sauce for this dish.
Awesome.
Okay. Next thing we're going to do is make some dumplings.
Oh, this is fun. You make a lot of dumplings over at the restaurant?
Absolutely. Yes. We call it dumpling parties.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So the dumpling we're going to use here is actually.
And these are just wonton skins that you can buy?
Yep. Cool. And then for this one, I like the round one here. It depends on what you want. If you want to have like a lot of noodle, use the squares, but these ones are great.
That's a good tip.
So I'm going to just go fold that here. And then take this one. And then you got to be careful of how much you put in there.
Oh, you don't want to overfill?
Yeah, overfill, and you also rip the wrapper.
Okay. Can I try making one?
Absolutely, please.
So about that much? Is that too much?
A little less.
A little less, okay.
Yeah.
And then wet the outside.
You're natural.
You're a lot faster than I am. Well, I think I have to practice a little bit.
I like it. It's good. It's good. Okay.
Oh, that's what I did wrong. You got to go this way. Now I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
Beautiful. Okay. We'll drop our dumplings in there.
Okay.
See how we're doing here.
How long do these take to cook?
Perfect.
The dumplings.
The dumplings, just about 5-7 minutes.
Okay, so not too long at all.
Yeah, not at all.
Cool.
So we're done there. Actually, dumplings here.
And the mussels, those popped open really fast.
They did. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready to make a little bit of fun here.
Ooh, this looks fun. What is this?
Well, this is what we're going to do. The basis of the sauce itself. So we're going to take all the juices, take this.
Heavy cream?
Heavy cream. Bring it down. Because we're going to build kind of like a beurre blanc.
All right.
With it. Okay.
So you still bring your classical French techniques into this.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of hard not to, I guess.
Right. Asian food with butter. Works.
It's not the love.
Okay. So that's going to be all the
so all the
juice and all the
juices
good
go
stuff.
right in there.
And smell it. Isn't that fun?
That's the vinegar, that black vinegar.
Exactly.
Wow.
Exactly. So we got that in there. So we're going to take this and push this down. And this is just going to drive down, and we're going to finish our dish. And this is working hard there.
I would put that on anything.
I know, it's going to be delicious. All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to start on our dish itself.
Okay.
So let's finish this out. And
Gorgeous scallops, might I say.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, these are from Viking Village.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Love Viking Village.
Yeah, right at the end of Barnegat, New Jersey. And that's about as local as we can get.
I buy them at my farmer's market. Are these the biggest ones you can get?
You can get larger
Can you?
ones, yeah. You
They're
can get like
pretty
U8, U5s,
Okay.
but I like these. These are the
Those are
perfect
what,
size.
U10, U12?
U10s. Mhm.
Okay. Now, why are you using olive oil? Because you don't see that typically in much.
I like it a lot because the flavor of
Yeah.
it, and it doesn't break down. So it has like, it does have a unique, like it's corn oil just tastes like corn.
Yeah.
You know, and then I do use soybean oil quite a bit.
Okay.
But I like that. I like the fact that the flavor of olive oil, it does stand in the background, but
Yeah.
it does hold up, so it's nice.
Do you see that much in Taiwan? Or is that just your Patrick Feury twist?
No, not at all. Yeah. So with these, we're going to take our leeks. These are also part of the dish.
Okay.
And so basically, I always call this leek fondue because we want them to melt. Even though this pan's super hot, I cook with super hot all the time because you're throwing a cold product into a hot pan, and it's going to cool down the pan. And then, so you're going to get this right there.
Otherwise, you'd be waiting there all day.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, we want to get this really, really hot because we like to have the scallops inside, like almost rare, like just you know.
That's when they're the best.
Just a little bit cold in a way.
But you still want that sear on the outside,
yeah.
so you need to get the pan really hot.
Exactly. So we're going to take our mussels out. I would like to utilize these.
Okay.
And that's going to actually be part of this little leek salad that we're going to put on the bottom of the dish.
So is that going to be served cold or kind of warm?
This is going to be served warm. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're going to fold these right into the leeks themselves.
Okay.
Right, we got that there. So that's going to be the nice salad.
Just season
Just
these a little bit.
season these little guys, okay? And then it's important to have a really hot pan.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is also fun. We've got our beautiful dumplings here.
Nice. Oh, and they go right in with the leeks. Very cool.
Yeah, I like to coat all the dumplings sometime like that. Okay, great. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to plate this up.
You can see how well these scallops have caramelized on the bottom already.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. So I really like to put dumplings in the sauce itself.
Nice.
I'm going to work on that. There. And this sauce is really fun. It's got such a good kick with the vinegar.
It smells incredible.
Yeah.
And I can see how like the cream would kind of tame that, the harshness of the vinegar a bit.
Yeah. It's really fun. And then, let's see.
Scallions or chili?
Yeah, scallions and cilantro.
Oh, nice.
Themselves together. Okay, you got that? Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. And if you see, like when you're working with cream, things like that, the best way to get it back.
A little bit of water.
And that'll re-emulsify it.
That's a great trick because that happens, I think, to people a lot, and they get really discouraged by it.
Right. So
I definitely
not
do
over.
that.
Yeah.
Not over. Yep.
So you just kind of got to rehydrate it.
So that'll bring it right back.
Look at
See
that.
that?
It's perfect.
Okay. So we're gonna put these
Okay.
right in the little plate.
Beautiful.
And we got the mussels in there.
Nice.
The vinegar flavor from that.
Now, speaking of the vinegar, you are doing some incredible things with vinegar at the restaurant.
Yeah.
Talk about that a little bit. I'd love to know more.
Yeah, that's a really, really fun part of it. I have, you know, weirdly enough, I have a bunch of friends that have distilleries. I don't know how that happened. That's weird.
Imagine that.
So I have good friends from Caledonia Spirits and also local Dad's Hat whiskey. I'm aging all the vinegars in the barrels.
Really?
So I have whiskey aged vinegar. Also, I have Caledonia Spirit. They have the Tomcat, which is an aged gin in there. So it's giving them really cool. And the Tomcat's finished out with honey.
So what kind of vinegar are you starting with? Just a plain white distilled, or are you using like a black vinegar to start with?
No, it's actually just a white.
Okay.
Like, and I use actually Chardonnay based. Yep. I take some cucumbers, some radishes, some pea tops, and these are also like Pennsylvania local. Some pickled jalapenos, some cilantro, and then I have a vinegar. This is the aged barrel vinegar.
Which one is this?
This is actually the Dad's Hat aged barrel from whiskey.
Nice.
I also put a little sugar, so I make like a little bit of pickling liquid out of
I
it.
could try a little bit of that.
And it's like when you instantly pickle, like I like them to have crunch, so I don't really like them to be pickled completely.
Okay.
So I throw a little bit of salad right on top.